How to transfer chats on WhatsApp on new update. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can transfer chats on WhatsApp on the new update, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to transfer chats on WhatsApp on the new update, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the WhatsApp Messenger application. Once you launch the WhatsApp Messenger app, you will set this type of interface. Now this is basically a new update where you don't need to use your Google Drive to transfer your chat history. For this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then tap the three dots option from the top right hand side, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to chats, and once you go to chat, scroll down. Right here you'll find the new option known as transfer chats. So you want to make sure to tap on it. Right over here it says transfer your chat history privately without using your Google Drive or your iCloud account. So all you have to do is just tap the start option here. Once you tap on start option, make sure to connect to your nearby Wi-Fi and also make sure that WhatsApp is actually right next to you. And once you make sure of that, your another phone, you need to just make it ready, and then your account will get successfully transferred. That's it for today's video on how you can basically transfer your chat history on WhatsApp. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.